Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss how to subtract cells, columns, dates and times in Excel. So basically there is no subtract function in Excel to perform a simple subtraction operation. To subtract the numbers we will use minus sign to subtract numbers. For example, we have two numbers. We want to subtract 20 from 50. We will use equals to and minus sign to perform this task. First, select a cell equals to 50 minus 20 and press enter. Now you will get the answer, which is 30. Let's apply this into the other examples. As you can see, I have data in one column I have transaction and the other one is expense. So I want to know the net income. For this, I just subtract the transaction from the expense. To find the net income, we will subtract transaction from the expense. Select an empty cell in net income and type equals to select transaction minus expense. Press enter. So here is the net income by using the minus sign. To apply this formula to the other cells, we will just drag the fill handle down. So here is the all results. Now we will subtract multiple cells from one cell by using the minus sign. First, select the empty cell and type equals to select the cell B2 minus B3 minus B4 minus B5 and press enter. Now we will get the result in the B6. Now we will use sum function to subtract multiple cells from single cell. For this, type equals to select first cell minus use sum function, and in the sum function we will select the other remaining cells B3 to B5. Close the bracket and press enter. So here we will get the result. Now we will discuss how to subtract the same number from a column. As you can see, I have fixed cost in cell E2 and I want to subtract this from all the other cells in column C. Select an empty cell and type equals to and select the first cell minus and select the fixed cost and press F4 to make it absolute and press enter. Now you will get the net revenue. Now drag the fill handle down to get all the results. We will use F4 key to create an absolute cell reference. This will locking the reference to the cell to be subtracted. E2 remains constant. We will also perform this task by using paste special feature. First, select the cell and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Select the range of numbers from which you want to subtract. Right click on it and click paste special. In the paste special dialog box, click subtract and click OK. So here we will get the same result. To subtract dates in Excel, as you can see, I have date in column B and C. In column D2, type this formula equals to select first date minus second date and press enter. Now you will get the same process for the time. Type equals to, select the time in column B2 minus C2 and press enter. Now all the time between these two times have been displayed in cell D2. Have been displayed in this cell. So this is the simple and easy way to subtract numbers, dates, time. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thanks for watching.